Hey guys, so I am on the floor today because my phone has to be charging. So I have an outlet right here and I'm plugging my phone up. So I have to be on the floor to do this. But you guys have probably seen my video where I did it. I might not have uploaded, but if you did see it, and if it did upload, I'm not sure if it did, but where I took soaps and I left it in a container and it dried out overnight and it kind of made slime. So I'm going to try it with some different soaps to see if it'll do the same. So now I have a shampoo and a hand soap, and I'm going to do this on this pink cardboard that I found. It's going to work. Okay, so we're going to first, okay, I have this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine shampoo. So it looks like, and I'm using a bobby pin to stir. I don't know why I found it. So I have my towel if I need it. Got it right there. So now let's just get to it. I'm not doing a big batch, I'm just doing like a medium size, I guess. Not really sure how much of this paint stuff I want. I'm gonna add in some more green. This is taking like forever. Okay, that's the bestest we're gonna do. So that's really all you have to do. You can add in more soap than this. This is just what I was doing. I'm gonna do a bit more. But I'm gonna get a different mixing tool so it's faster. Okay, so I got a mixing tool and this will help me mix faster. Okay, yeah, this definitely works a lot better. So I did that, and now I'm just going to set this to the side, let it sit for a day. It'll be a little bit more than a day, of course, because I have to go to school, but I will check on it once I get home from school. So I'm going to leave this and set this to the side. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a different color so I can tell the two soaps apart. I know I'll be able to tell the two soaps apart immediately, but I'm just going to switch colors from a green to a purple. Because I have this really pretty purple paint with glitter. So now I have a smaller piece of cardboard and I have this Source hand soap. So this one was a shampoo and this one's a hand soap, and I'm going to try this one. And this is a soothing aloe vera hand soap. Okay, I'm going to go back to using the bobby pen because this is a smaller batch and just it'll be easy. So I'm going to get out my paint. Now this purple paint isn't the color of shade. This isn't the shade of purple I like. So since the soap is white, it will help. No! This purple paint, since this is a thick soap, doesn't like to mix in. Okay, this is getting a very pretty purple. It still looks pretty white to you guys. It's just the camera lighting. But I'm getting some more paint to mix in. I got another little touch of purple. This is so hard to hold on. Okay, I want to add in some blue to this because this purple is still a light shade and I want to make it blue. So I have here a royal blue, and I'm going to bring out my pencil and get to mixing in some royal blue food coloring. I only have a little bit, but a little bit goes a long way. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I got that to the color I want, and I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to bring this green one back in because I do want to make this a blue too. Trying to form this into like a little pile. I got a little bit more color. I definitely like this color a lot. So I'm going to let this sit to the side. So these are Little Me slimes or semi-slimes right now, but they will have set right tomorrow. And you guys know that I like to mix the soaps together, so I'm going to do exactly that. And right now I'm looking for a container. Okay guys, so I'm choosing this notepad that I don't use anymore. So I'm going to do a little bit of that one. And the teeniest bit of that one. I did even amounts. And now I'm going to get some food coloring and add that in to make it a pretty blue. I want to get a bit more food coloring, so I'm going to add that in. Ooh, that's pretty blue. I like that color. Okay, so now that those are all mixed in, I'm just going to let those all sit for 24 hours. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and bye.